You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Okay, Brittany, tell me what's going on with your jaw.
My right jaw is extremely tight, doesn't open wide at all. It's constant achy.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
I would, not emergency room worthy, but for a lot of maybe
7 or 8. Is that constant pain or just certain motions?
certain motions like opening my mouth or closing it when I'm eating.
Okay. And how long this been going on?
Since
End of June, we are in October, so it's about 4 months. What kind of treatment you had before?
I've been using a mouth guard, works really well. I've been doing.
Would you show me where is the pain exactly?
So the pain is when I open my mouth, it's here, and sometimes like when I bite down, can sometimes even go up to here. And then maybe because I'm clenching at night, morning, I feel tightness in my
Neck. Do you have headaches?
No.
And you said now it's how much from 0 to 10? How much pain?
Oh, 7 to 8.
7, 8. Let me see your neck range of motion. Go backward. Let me know if you feel tightness forward. That's not too bad. Turn your head to the right. Left. Side bend to the right and left. Did you feel any pain with that?
This side I don't feel any pain, but it's still tighter.
I'm gonna take the range of motion for the jaw just to get the side shot. Can you hold this, please? So that's basically 23. You've been having that limited range of motion since last June, 4 months now.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you're looking for any pain, okay? Let's line your back heads here. Any pain with this? This is the area you're talking about here. Is that painful? Okay. Your mouth opening is very limited. The normal is 35 to 45 millimeters. You were like 24, 23, 24. You did not notice? Is that painful?
What you just did, it wasn't painful. It felt like,
Tightness?
yeah, I felt like you were massaging it. It felt better.
That's good. This is called ASTR. It's better than massage, if you know, that's too much. Since June, you are limited same exact range of motion. Or it was gradual decrease in range of motion. It was gradual or just it happened?
It's gradual.
Okay. Is it too much here?
No, it's fine.
Yeah. You feel this from here? This painful?
No.
Okay. So you said it's difficult to eat, open your mouth, chewing.
Yeah.
Where was talking?
You know, talking.
Maybe you don't get headaches.
No,
How does feel here?
it's a little looser.
I can work on scar tissue. If it's too much, okay. And get a little bit cold.
Okay.
You feel this bump here? It's scar tissue. And you feel this grinding. It should feel nice and smooth like this. You feel how nice and smooth it is? Yeah. You don't have a scar tissue on this area. But here you can see it's not moving. Here it's moving nice and smooth. Here's just the scar tissue prevent from moving.
Wow.
Yeah, is it too much or it's okay?
That's fine.
Yeah, that's from because you're clenching, so you're grinding. You start to have a micro tear in the muscle. That micro tear causes scar tissue. For time, that those big knots cause restriction in range of motion because the muscle should act like a rubber band. When it's contracted and relaxed, it does this. So when you have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in a rubber band. So when the muscle contracts, it does not have enough room to move. So it could compress a nerve artery or joint and decrease range of motion. Is that too much?
Yes.
Break it closer to your TMJ joint. Is it too much here? You feel that bump here?
I would stop clenching, right?
I will go over that with you. We have tips that can help to stop that. A lot of patients did use those tips and were able to stop clenching at night. We'll go over that after the video. The treatment is just doing the release. I'm gonna show you some exercises afterward. We're gonna go over a list of stuff I want you to work on to help decrease hopefully some patient can stop clenching actually after following those instructions. It depends, there's a lot of factors for that. We'll talk in detail about that. You feel this bump here? It's here in your neck. Show again. So it's a tool. Beautiful. It's 29:30, almost 30. It's good to meet you. Start with 23, 24.
On my back. One's like 22.
Okay. It's good toward me. But you had this performance. Was last week. If I see the patient limited range of motion a few days or a week, we can get the range of motion faster. But if it's several months, you got a lot of restrictions in different areas. More areas need to be worked on. Is it too much?
No.
No, it's too much. Tightness. You feel that tightness? You feel how it's pulling your head? I'm just trying to release the fascia. Your head is moving with it. That's from the tightness. I'm not pulling her hair.
This side wasn't as tight.
As this feel this side.
Yeah.
It's
okay.
Make sure you smile. It's like it should be calm. If you feel it stretching, that's fine.
It's like a
I disagree with the painful philosophy. Because if you have pain, it's like you have a check engine signal in your car. So there's two options when you have a check engine signal light in your car. One is cover the signal and just keep driving and hope for the best. Two, just figure out where the pain coming from and fix it, and the check engine light will disappear. If you ignore it and keep pushing it, you don't know what's going on. And you don't know what's going to end. Is it going to cause more damage? Or if we start to evaluate why there's pain, we just get to the source of the problem and the patient disappear. So that's why I disagree with the painful philosophy. You're not making faces now. So, okay. You have fascia restrictions. You're wearing a t-shirt 2 to 3 sizes too small. So let's say this is a fascia. This is a muscle, this is a joint. I don't have any fascia restrictions here. When you have fascia restrictions, it's like you're wearing a t-shirt 2 to 3 sizes too small. So when there's tightness like here, and I try to move my joint, it limits the range of motion. That's exactly what fascia does. It compresses on nerve artery, could compress on nerve artery, and limited joint range of motion. That's why that's why I have to work on that. It's part of the problem. Restriction, scar tissue, trigger point, muscle spasm, and we have to address it holistically to make sure we're treating everything, not just part of the problem. Is it too much?
It's okay.
Try my neck now.
That's good.
In pain discomfort?
And I feel straight.
It's about the same. Tell me, what do you think about ASTR's treatment?
I went from 22, 24 to almost 30, so
Yeah,
definitely
yeah.
helps a lot.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.